Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to be working on a Halloween card. So I chose a black card base and I pulled out this ancient card stack that I had from Recollections. This is, I don't know how many years old that I've had it. It's absolutely not found, I guess, in the stores. But it has a lot of very cool prints, which I've used some in the past. And I am going to be doing a witch today. It's a die cut of a witch with the cat on her back, on her booty. Anyways, I want to use this one, so let's see what I could come up with. And I like this purple that's on the cover here, so I'm going to be pulling that out. And I also wanted, let me see, here it is. Here's a purple. And I saw some labels here that intrigued me. So I think I'm going to be using one of these. Haven't decided yet which one, but I'm going to be pulling these three out. So let's get started on this spooky card. This is going to be going out to my niece. That's away in college. So the way that I do my card base is, since that's too dark, I'm going to flip it around. And according to the edge width I want, I place the corner of my cardstock, and let's say I want it that wide. See that? That's about how wide I want it. I go in and I mark that same width towards the inside of it. Right about there, and the same thing here. So these are my two cutting lines when I go ahead and I take it to the trimmer. So I get my trimmer and I place it there on my first line, my first mark. Take it all the way down, almost all the way down. Then I go to the other side and I cut it there. You could also measure it maybe half an inch inward. Okay, I'm thinking of doing the inside piece with this die. So I'm just going to stick a little bit of washi tape. And I'll go ahead and cut it. I went ahead and I cut out one of the tags from the cardstock. And I feel I want a little bit of white on here. Okay, have yourself. So for this I've used two stamp sets. This one, which, goodness gracious, I didn't save the package. And this one, that's Hero Art Stampin' Cut. And this one's from the Merry Christmas one, from the Merry stamp set. And I used the Have Yourself A. I was also contemplating on using Wishing You a Happy Halloween that I took from this stamp set. I just took the hat off and I'm using this Happy Halloween. So yeah, I put two stamp sets to use. So I'm going to get my corner chomper and round these corners. I think I want the thicker one, the wider one. Yeah. Just like that. Boom, boom. And then you, just like that. Boom, boom. Then the witch, just like that. And our sentiment, just like that. Okay, turn this all around. Make sure we get good coverage. Since it's liquid glue, we always have wiggle room. I am going to go around the edge of this one, of the purple one. We have a good coverage. And I think this I'm going to pop up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put fun foam on the back of this one, only because I'm going to mail it. Some glue of my own here. Make sure it stays put. Don't let time get the best of it. I'm going to place it right there. Good. And that's going to go there. It's nice and firm and has support all the way around. Okay, then this. Stick it on. My base. Cover the middle. Yay! Then put this here. Okay. Then this lovely lady. Gonna go ahead and put glue. Perfecto. Perfect. Remove the backing. Apply the glue. Stick. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue on the tag. Yay! This was a quick card for me. I usually take about an hour, hour and a half to make a card. Okay, press down. It's not me. I need to add something else. This is not me. I need to add something else, but I shouldn't. I want to add a ribbon here. Which I am. So, this is a way that I do my bows. I found a piece of like cardboard, but this is plastic. And I saw that it had holes that would fit these skewers, wood skewers, that I bought at the 99-cent store. So you just put them in, and this is how you do the bow. You go over one, under another, over, under, so on and so forth. Okay? Over, under, over, under. Okay, so you end on the opposite side that you started on. Okay, and how many loops you want on your bow, that's what you're going to be seeing here. Okay, see, that's how many loops we're getting on our bow. And I think I want 2. I usually go for 2. 2 is my go-to number. You snip it, then I always snip another little piece of my ribbon. I push it under and over, flip it, and then I make a knot. Uh-oh. I'm seeing this one. Escaped. But I caught it. Haha. Okay, so I make a knot. Okay, then you slide it. And the good thing with these things is that if you want a wider bow, you just move the little dowels more to the side. You could also make it smaller if you wish. If that is what makes you happy. See, I want that there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this a little more. I'm going to put plenty glue because I want it to stay, baby. Put that right on top there. Wow, wow. I'm going to use my tweezers to hold it there. Hold it there. And I will cut this shorter because I want to see the have yourself. I just want okay, a little bit more on this one. Yikes. Okay, and then on this one as well. Jeez, they're not the small glue dots, but anyway, it's fine. I'm going to put it under here, that way that could hold that in place there. Keep it pressed. Oh, look at this. I found some fun stuff. Ooh, got a purple one? I have a purple one. I'm going to use a different kind of glue to stick the spider. No, I'm going to stick the spider there. That way it won't, not on top of the knot, so that it won't make the card bulkier. I'm going to put it there. Everything is how it's supposed to be when you're crafting, okay? Nothing is a mistake. Everything is pre-planned, okay? That's just how I like to see it. Good, I am content with my little card. I think it's super cute. I was able to use some stuff that I've never used, that I bought and I never used, which is this die here, the witch die, which is very cute. And I bought all this stuff with her in mind, with my niece in mind. That's who this is going to. Because I wanted to send her something for every season, but it is so hard. So hard to. And I'm just cleaning this cardstock here of the witch. It's shiny cardstock, and it allows for everything to be seen. But that looks nice. That looks super cute. And I've had these spiders laying around for a long time as well, and I'm glad I was able to use them along with the stamp set, the Halloween one. So I'm happy. Good, there's my little stamp. I modified it a little bit to show the, to do a little Halloweeny with the witch hat there. I think this is a perfect card to send something with wishes of like witching you a happy Halloween, but I don't have any of those stamps. Bleh. And since I use Halloween things so little, I haven't really found the need of buying a Halloween stamp more than the ones that I already have. But anyways, ideas for you. I hope you get inspired, and I hope you create. And I hope you create with the love and the excitement that I do. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Have a happy and safe Halloween. You know what? I think I want it embossed. I do. I want it embossed. I hate this little flap. It gets on my nerves. But anyways. I go in. With my pencil that I can't find. Of course, no lid. Put it everywhere. I do have my little glue bottle, but I already have this one on my hand. Wah. Alright, fine. I'll get my little glue bottle, which has the applicator a little better. Just like that. Ah! Just dropped her. I like it, says me.